Hello and welcome to another lab exercise of the course Aquaculture. My name is Lubna Yasmin.
And my name is Mohammad Sadiq.
We are teaching assistant and PhD scholar at Department of Zoology, Aligarh Muslim University. So in the previous video, I have shown you how to collect the hard anatomical structures for age readings, and now in this video, I will demonstrate the processing and preparation of the hard structures for age determination. I have already the prepared structures. This is the scale. For scale preparation, we have to simply use the tap water and rub in between the fingers to clean it and then dry it, and the structure will be ready for age determination. Next, I have the prepared opercular bone and vertebrae. Opercular bone and vertebrae are prepared by boiling them in the water for 10 to 15 minutes, and then for removal of the tissue, when after boiling the tissue are cleaned with the brush and dried overnight for age determination. Next, for otolith, we have to clean it in the tap water and use a bristle brush for the removal of the tissues. Otolith can be used as such like whole otolith for the age readings, or it can also be prepared in molds for cutting the section. I have the prepared mold. It is of Channa punctata. The molds are prepared with the help of epoxy resin and hardener, and they are kept in blocks and then left for almost 15 days for its hardening, for its preparation, so that we can next move for its sectioning. These molds are then sectioned with the help of this instrument. This is a low speed isomet saw. Here we have to fix the mold in this chuck, and the weight are put, these weights are put here. This is a diamond blade, diamond wafting blade, and I will show how it functions. I have already set everything, and now I will click on start. This diamond blade rotates and it cuts the mold in the very thin section. The sectioned otolith will look like this. This is the sectioned otolith of Channa punctata. Otolith can also be polished for more clear readings. The otolith can be polished on the sandpaper grid, or we are having with us an instrument. This is otolith polisher, which is being designed and developed in our lab. In otolith polisher, we have to fix the sandpaper here and just place the otolith here, and with the tip of the finger this will be polished. As the platform rotates, the otoliths are being polished. During polishing, we have to time by time we have to examine it under the microscope. Now, for determining the age, we can observe these hard structures under the stereo zoom. In our lab, to show you, we have connected the stereo zoom with the laptop. The laptop is having the M-Shot digital software to show how the hard structure looks. Have you ever seen the tree trunk? The tree trunks have rings that represent the age of the tree. Similarly, in fishes, the hard structures also have annuli. The annuli comprises of opaque and translucent zones. So we have to count that annuli to determine the age of the fish. Dark rings are generally preferred as they are narrow and sharp to count the age of the fish. Here we are showing you the scales which is having annuli. Only the full annulus the will be considered as the true annulus. We have to count the annuli which is whole to consider it the age of that year. See, in this structure, the scale we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 annulus we are having. So, the fish is of 4 years. Next, we will be showing you the opercular bone. This is the opercular bone. It is also showing the annulus which can be clearly seen 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now next is vertebrae. This is the vertebrae and we can also see the clear annulus in the vertebrae. It's 1, 2 and 3. And next is the otolith. You can see the annuli are also very clear in the otolith. We can easily count them 1, 2, 3 and the last one here 4. We are now done with the collection of the hard structures and then its preparation and the age reading. Thank you very much.